So if you thought you've heard enough about AI agents, well, there is a lot more where that came from, because OpenAI has announced something that changes how software itself works. Simply put, this is software going headless. Workspace agents inside ChatGPT. And this is a massive shift. In other words, ChatGPT is becoming where work actually happens. You won't use apps anymore. Basically, you assign agents. These agents will access your tools, pull your data, execute workflows, and keep working even when you're offline. Workspace agents are built for complex workflows, long-running tasks, multi-step execution. They don't stop after one prompt. Actually, they track progress, coordinate across tools, and complete the job. And they, of course, run in the cloud, which means you close your laptop, the work still continues, my friend. Take a sales assistant agent, for example. Pulls documents from Box, reads call notes, qualifies leads, writes follow-ups, updates CRM, all done automatically, all in one flow. This is exactly what knowledge work starts to look like. These agents integrate directly with Slack, Google Workspace, Salesforce, internal tools. You can literally drop an agent into a Slack thread and it will understand the context, solve the problem, push updates into project systems without you stepping in. Earlier, how it worked was, well, you had tools. Now, the tools have agents, and agents are connected through protocols like MCP, APIs, and CLI, which means every system becomes programmable, every workflow becomes automatable. And this is, of course, the headless software moment, which is the user interface becomes optional. Workflows move to agents, interfaces collapse into intent. You don't click through apps anymore. You describe the outcome. The agent figures out the rest. OpenAI is not actually playing the consumer game here at all. Workspace agents are shared across teams, controlled by admins, built once, reused across organizations. This is actually enterprise-grade AI with permissions, approvals, and monitoring built in. Right now, it's free in preview, but I think not for long. This moves to credit-based pricing, which means you don't pay for software anymore. You pay for the work which has actually been done. OpenAI is doing three things at once, which is turning ChatGPT into a work operating system, embedding codecs into real workflows, monetizing intelligence as usage. Now that's actually quite remarkable. And an entirely new business model shift. Anthropic built agents for developers. Google is building agents for research and enterprise. Microsoft is embedding agents into Office. OpenAI is building agents for work itself. Interesting times, don't you think, ladies and gentlemen? And if you do, please do let us know in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the AIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.